How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. If any day you would like to add an Instagram post with multiple photos with a music in it, then do not worry and just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, launch Instagram on your device. In order to launch Instagram on your device, first of all, tap on Instagram on your device and then go to the plus icon on the down section. Now click on the multiple photos icon and then tap on the photos that you want to post. Now this way you have to tap on all the photos that you would like to post and those photos in which you would like to add a music to. After you tap on this, now go to the option of next. Again, you can put the filter also in there. If you do not want to put a filter, just go to the option of next again. And after you tap on next, you will see an interface like this. And after you see an interface like this, scroll down until you find the option of add music. Just tap on it and go to the music that you would like to put. I would like to put this very music, so I just tapped on it. After tapping on the music that you would like to post, now you will see an interface like this, and there will be shown a portion where you want to post the music. You can put any of the portion of the music that you would like to post. After that, you can go to the option of share if you would like to share the very post, and this way your post will be posted. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.